When is a cinema camera absolutely useless? When there is no light.
But if you know how to work with light, you can make any camera look good, even an iPhone.
Now I'm going to show you two of the most used techniques using just a single softbox. So if you have a light and a softbox, you can do this too. Now, number one is called Rembrandt lighting. This has its name from a painter, and basically the light is at a 45-degree angle to my face and the camera. One side is softly lit while the other one is kind of dark, except for that nice triangle on my cheek. And this image should look, yes, I'm gonna say it, cinematic. But now over to technique number two, which is called the butterfly light. Most commonly used in fashion photography. Butterfly, I guess, because there should be shadows on my cheekbone, make me look kind of, more attractive than I actually am. Which is hard to do, I guess, but yeah. Again, a 45-degree angle right above the camera, coming down, giving me the beauty look. That's it for the simple techniques. It is time to get a little bit more complicated. All right, so I have my camera set up here, and first I'm gonna do a shot just to show you the before and after of the harsh light. First thing I'm bringing out here is something to soften up this harsh sunlight, which is just gonna be this $5 shower curtain. And these, by the way, are like, they come in a bundle for like 40 bucks. You get 3 of these stands. I'm too small. I mean, I'm 6'5", but these stands are probably like 8 foot, so yeah. $20 reflector. It doesn't have to look good from the outside. The only thing that matters is that it looks good on this camera. Now, how does this look compared to before? It should be way softer now. The background is a little bit brighter than the subject, which makes sense. But yeah, my face should be way softer than it was before. Okay, so this setup already looked pretty good and pretty soft, but we're gonna go even softer with a book light. What that is, you're gonna find out right now. So instead of the softbox now, we're gonna put on this. We're going to bounce it in our 5-in-1 reflector that you already know from outside, which is always scary to open. Now we need more stands, because now we're gonna bounce that harsh light through our $5 shower curtain and get the softest light you've ever seen. So the book light is set up, and essentially we are just softening that light twice instead of just once, resulting in an even smoother transition between your light and your shadow side. However, as you can see now, our shadow side has gotten a little bit too bright, and we're gonna fix that by using neg. We added light, now we're gonna take away some. So I ran out of light stands. What I'm gonna use to hold my negative is this old projector thing. I bought this for like 20 bucks at a garage sale, essentially. Lock it in and then you just pull it up. So I'm gonna put this there just out of frame of the camera and use a cloth for like 20 bucks, which is just pure black, to take away some light. So yeah, it's starting to get pretty cozy in here, kind of a safe space. And speaking of safe, this will I'm just kidding, I got like 2,000 subscribers. Ain't nobody sponsoring me. So do subscribe if you do enjoy the content. I love you. But let's continue with the video. So now again, there should be a noticeable difference from before, because I added this black cloth here, which takes away the light on that side, giving me more shadow and more character on this side of my face. Optionally, at the end you can add a fill light just to give your face a little bit of a lift, as you can see right here, to make the subject stand out just a tiny bit more, and add some practicals to make the shot more interesting. Lighting a video is a process. There are guidelines to help, but no rules. And most importantly, just create and have fun. Follow your passion.